How to turn on shares notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on shares notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in top corner and now click settings and then just click notifications, and here you will find shares. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and as you see shares have been turned on, and you can turn it off again by one click of course, and that's it.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.